Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
CSC B students, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What we have completed in the last session? Jacobian, right? So today I am going to discuss Taylor's theorem. Taylor's theorem in function of two variables. Taylor's theorem in function of two variables. Taylor's series, Taylor's theorem, Taylor's expansion, all are same. And it is there in the second unit also, but it is for one variable in second unit. Now it is in two variables. Taylor's theorem in two variables. So first I'll write the formula, how the formula work you can see. So here we have two formulas. Whenever neighborhood is given, means the point is given, near to that point we are going to expand this Taylor's theorem. Or suppose if the point is not given, that means neighborhood is not given, then we can use 0, 0 is the neighborhood. So both of the formulas I am writing here, you can see. The first formula, f of x comma y is equal to f of x comma y will be given here in the question itself, f of a comma b, where a and b are the neighborhood of the function, okay, plus x minus a into fx of a comma b, where this suffix a represent the partial derivative of f with respect to x, plus y minus b into f y of a comma b, where fy again represent the partial derivative of f with respect to y. You just see here the logic to remember the formula, the logic to memorize the formula, plus after this one we have to expand this one by writing here 1 by 2 factorial into, if I am expanding this one, how it will be, you can see a square x minus a whole square. In that case, f double x will come, means 2 times partial derivative of the point a comma b, plus y minus b whole square, a square plus b square. In that way, y double y of a comma b plus 2 into x minus a into y minus b into fx y of a comma b, plus, actually it is continuation of the formula here, 1 by 3 factorial into, same thing we have to expand like a plus b whole cube expansion, a cube means x minus a whole cube into f triple x of a comma b. Triple x represent the partial derivative of f with respect to x 3 times, plus y minus b whole to the power of 3 f y of a comma b plus 3 x minus a whole square into y minus b into f x y of a comma b plus 3x minus a.
वेट कर रहे हैं क्लास का
टाइम पे आए तो वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, समझे आप?
ये ना पूरे मैसेज आ कर रहे हैं
y minus b whole square into f x y y of a comma b plus and so on. This is called the Taylor's. ये एक ही फार्मूला है बाबा, समझ में आ रहा ना? This is the one formula only. We have to expand this formula. This is the way to memorize. ये x minus a fx a comma b, y minus b fx y a comma b, we have to expand by a plus b whole square, then a plus b whole cube. If you know the formulas of a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube, then we can easily write down this formula. Now, if I am going to use it, if I am doing here, suppose, if I am going to put a value and b value will be 0, then how this formula will become, tell me? If a value and b value is 0, then what is the expansion of fx comma y? Can you give me the answer?
f of a
F of
0 comma 0
0 plus x minus 0 is x itself,
minus 0
x itself, fx of 0
0 comma 0
0 plus f
y
y fy of
0 comma 0
0 plus
plus 1
1
by 2
by
factorial
2 factorial into x square
square
into fxx a comma
0 comma 0
0 comma 0 comma 0
plus
plus
y square
y square into fy of y
0 comma 0
0 comma 0 plus 2x into
2
y
into
fx y 0 0, ठीक है, plus
1 by 3
1
factorial
by 3 factorial into x cube
x cube
f triple x 0 0 plus y cube f triple y 0 0 plus 3 x square y into f x x y 0 0 plus 3 x y square f x y y 0 0 and so on. This is called Maclaurin's expansion. Whenever neighborhood is not given, we are assuming as 0 0. That is called Maclaurin's expansion. Understood? एक प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. Shall we start doing the
ये
problem?
फॉर्मूला कॉपी कर लेते
नहीं नहीं, आपको मैं रिकॉर्डिंग भेजता हूँ, टाइम उसमें कम है टाइम अपने पास, ठीक है? I'll send you the recording. आप पहले प्रॉब्लम सुन लीजिए, एक प्रॉब्लम करेंगे, फिर आप उसके बाद में चाहे तो आप मैं थोड़ा टाइम देता हूँ, कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. पहले एक क्वेश्चन देख लो उसके रिलेटेड, राइट? Expand e to the power of xy in the neighborhood. In the neighborhood means the nearest point. अगर क्वेश्चन में आपको neighborhood दिया हुआ है, so that value is called a comma b value. Suppose if it is not given, then which one we have to take? Exactly. Default, that is 0 comma 0. Understood? Understood? Others give me the answers.
yes sir
Yes. Now here whatever the value of f of x comma y, it is given here fxy is equal to e to the power of x into y. Nishat, are you there in the class? Nishat, Fatima,
Yes, sir, I'm there.
you are not giving any answer. Do you understand the formula now?
Yes.
Okay, let us moving on. First of all, what I am going to take in place of xy, I am going to substitute 1 comma 1. So when x is 1, y is 1, that neighborhood is 1. 1 ones are 1, e to the power of 1, that answer is e only.
Only.
Next, fx of x comma y means what? We are going to do it the partial derivative of f with respect to x. What is the answer now? E to the power of xy into y is the answer, correct?
Yes.
Because inner derivative is y left off here. Fx of x comma y is equals to what we can say? We have to substitute the point here 1 1. Here we have to substitute the point here 1 comma 1. So what happened here? E to the power of 1 into
Power of
1
y.
into 1.
E only.
E only. Now fy of x comma y. So in the place of partial derivative of f with respect to y, what is the answer?
E power of
E
x.
power xy into x.
Y.
है ना? Correct है? fy of 1 comma 1. Give me the answer. E to the power
Yes, sir.
E to the power
1
of
into 1 into
1 to
1.
1.
Again
into
e
1.
only.
E.
So now second derivative. 2 times partial derivative with respect to x. 2 times of x comma y. That means what happened? X is there now with you. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? What we have to do with respect to x again.
X.
Y is a constant. E to the power of xy into whenever we are doing with respect to x, y left off, one more y is there, y square. Correct? Eh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
F double x at 1 comma 1. So what is the answer now? 1 square e to the power of 1 into 1. So that is e only. Correct? Eh?
Yes.
If y of x comma y, what will happen?
X square into
X square into
एक minute,
E power of xy.
हेलो क्लास है मेरी, बोलिए. अच्छा, हाँ मैं आपको कॉल बैक करके डिटेल समझाता हूँ, क्लास चल रही है. ओके. Hello, I'm sorry for inconvenience. With respect to y, one more time. What happened? You can
X
see
square into
very good. X square into e to the power of,
E power
to the power
xy.
of xy.
which means that
F double y.
double y at the point 1 comma 1.
1 comma 1.
What happened? E only now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now the most important thing is x with respect to y of x comma y. Here we have to apply u into v rule. Be careful, right? Look at here. X है ना, with respect to y कर रहा है uv rule. I am doing direct answer. First function is as it is, e to the power of x or y as it is. Now y
Second
with respect to y is 1 now,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
plus y as it is. E to the power of xy differentiation is e to the power of xy.
E to the power of
Since
xy
with
into y.
respect to तो y square हो जाता ना, है ना?
Yes, sir.
fxy at the point 1 comma 1. So what happened? Take e to the power of xy common also. We are left with 1 plus y square. So when we substitute that point, this is e power 1 1 is 1 into 1 plus 1. So answer is 2e.
Yes.
So by
Yes, sir.
Taylor's theorem, okay, एक काम करेंगे, अलग कलर से लिखेंगे. By Taylor's theorem, or we can say by Taylor's expansion also. Okay, so we have to substitute these points here, and our a value, b value, x and y value same. A comma b is 1 comma 1 here. So I am going to erase this one. ये Maclaurin's को मैं erase कर दे रहा हूँ. समझ में आ रहा सबको?
Yes, sir.
कुछ बच्चे बोल रहे हैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी बोलते हैं।
Chemistry की नहीं आ रही.
Ishaq Fatima, what happened? Do you understand the class now? This maths, I'll talk about maths only. Other subjects
Yes,
like
sir.
that. What is e to the f of x comma y value? E power xy now
Yes.
is equals to, if suppose, okay, better we can write one more step here. Better I will write it one more step so that you can understand.
रखो wallet मेरी.
देख ऐसा डिस्टर्बेंस रहा तो मैं क्या करता हूँ सबको म्यूट कर देता हूँ. f of x comma y is equals to f of, what is the point we are getting? 1 comma 1
One.
plus a value is 1 here, so x minus 1 fx of 1 comma 1, ठीक है, plus y minus 1 into fy of 1 comma 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial is 2 itself, okay, x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square into f double x of 1 comma 1 plus y minus 1 whole square into f double y of 1 comma 1 plus 2 into x minus 1 into y minus 1
Y minus
fxy
F.
into 1 comma 1 and ये close. मैं थर्ड टर्म को कंसीडर नहीं कर रहा हूँ, प्लस एंड सो ऑन. आपको याद होगा मैं सेकंड यूनिट के टाइम पे बोला था whenever we are
Yes.
expanding minimum 3 terms we have to write it. अपन बहुत ज्यादा ही लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है. e to the power of xy answer is e power xy is equal to 1 comma 1. What is the answer at 1 comma 1? E is the answer plus x minus 1 fx at 1 comma 1. Again E is the answer plus y minus 1 fy at 1 comma 1.
E
E.
answer.
E is the answer here plus 1 by 2 times of x minus 1 whole square. We should write as it is.
E on.
Now E again plus y minus 1 whole square into
E.
E plus 2 into x minus 1
X minus
into
1. Y minus
y
1.
minus 1, and this answer is
2E.
2e. That's it. Plus and so on, and you can stop your work here. That's it.
No need to expand, sir. From that.
Nothing, no need. If you want, you can take e common. That is up to you. Right? This type of problems are there in our Taylor series expansion.
2 marks, sir.
How many marks, sir?
5 marks sir, 2 marks में नहीं आता, expansion रहता ना. It will take some time.
Okay.
Let me do it one more question, so then you can understand. Whenever neighborhood is not given, let me do it that question, then we can stop. 2 problems are enough, and I'll give you the questions to work out. Questions आपको मैं देता हूँ करने के लिए. We'll be taking the next page now. See, the question is expand e power x into sin y expand e power x into sin y in powers of x and y. X and y. This is the question. Okay. So since that point is not given 1 comma 1 or whatever, the point is not there. So in that case, how this formula becomes? Can you tell me that formula only? Formula, first of all, formula. Come on. F of x comma y is equals to, come on, bully formula. F of 0 comma 0 plus x into fx of 0 comma 0 plus y into fy of 0 comma 0. याद हुआ फार्मूला? नहीं याद हुआ? प्लस 1/2 factorial into x
X minus A.
square. ए नहीं है वहाँ, 0 0 है ना वहाँ पे पॉइंट, 0 0. एक्चुअली x माइनस a होल स्क्वायर आता, बट a वैल्यू 0 ना, प्लस y स्क्वायर इंटू f y y of 0 0
0,0
plus 2 into x into y fx y of 0 0. So plus and so on. Third term it is there, but it is not required here now, and so on and so on. Let us solution. Let us assume that f x comma y is equals to, can you tell me that what is that we are taking? E to the power of x into sin y, है ना?
Yes.
Shall we start our work now?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, वो बोली फर्स्ट पॉइंट बोली. फर्स्ट पॉइंट बोली.
Fx comma y.
At
0 comma 0.
Hmm.
0 comma 0.
0 comma 0.
Okay, which implies that f 0 0, what happened? E to the power of
0
0 into sin
sin 0.
0. We know that sin 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. First derivative at partial
Zero.
differentiation with respect to x. E power
0
x
comma
differentiation is e power x only, into sin y is a constant, so it is as it is. Now fx at the point 0 0. What is the answer now?
E power of 0
Very
E
good.
power of 0.
Into sin 0.
into sin 0.
That answer
Zero.
will be equal to 0 only. Now fy
Fy
X comma y.
comma y. That means we are doing partially
E power
with respect to y. E power x is a constant. Sin y is
into cos
y.
cos y, which means that we are going to
f of
substitute
y at 0 comma 0.
at the point 0 0. So we're getting
Zero
that
only.
answer is e power 0 9 cos 0
One.
is 1. E power 0 is
1, sir.
1 into cos 0 is 1. The answer is 1.
Yes.
F double x
F double X.
at the point x comma y. So it is equal to, now x is there with you one more time, e power x only, sin y as it is, which means that f double x at
0 comma 0.
0 comma 0, which is equal to e power 0
into
sin
sin 0.
0.
0.
That answer will be equal to 0 since sin 0 is 0. Now f double
F
y
double
F double y.
of x comma y, that is
E
what,
power x. E power x
with
into
respect to y करना है, e power x
sin
as it
minus
is, yeah, minus
sin
cos y
y.
का sin y.
Sin y. Sin y.
That implies f
F
y y
double y
at 0
0
0.
comma 0.
This is minus e to the power of 0 into sin 0.
Sin 0. Zero.
Sine 0 is 0. Don't write minus 0. Okay.
0.
fxy.
fxy.
fxy is x comma y is equal to x already है ना, with respect to y करना है, sin y का cos y, e power x sin y का cos y, which means that fxy at 0 0, what is the answer? Come on, e power 0
e power 0
Into
cos
cos
0.
0.
So
One.
this is 1
One.
into 1, the answer is 1.
1.
Got it all the values?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
या फार्मूले में रख दीजिए, बस काम खत्म हो गया.
Okay.
So xy e power x sin y is equal to 0 0. 0 0 में आंसर कितना है? 0
0
plus
x
x into fx again 0
0
0.
plus y into fy,
Y into
1
this is 1
1.
plus 1 by 2 factorial is 1 by 2 only, then
X
x
square.
square as it is,
X square.
double x
0.
0
double
Zero.
x is 0 plus y square double y
0
0.
0. I
Zero.
think अपने को और एक टर्म लिखना पड़ेगा इधर, 2xy into fxy, this is 1
1
1. तो टोटली हाउ मेनी टर्म्स वी आर गेटिंग? ये यहाँ पे एक आ रहा, दो ही चार है,
2 only.
मतलब अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? बोलिए.
1 by 3 of
Yes, we have to expand this one. We have to write one more time. समझ में आया सबको? कब लिखना पड़ रहा देखिए, रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से लिख रहे, देखिए अपन. समझ में आ रहा सबको?
yes.
Yes. Tell me that
1 by 3
x cube 1 by 3 factorial, that is
F triple dash.
0 0 plus y cube
Y cube. F
F
triple Y.
triple y
0 comma
0
0.
comma 0 plus
Plus
3x
3xy.
square y into fx xy 0 0 plus 3ab square into fx y y 0 0, now bracket close, plus and so on. तो अभी जो वैल्यूज की जरूरत है ना वो फाइंड आउट कर लेगा. We required f triple x now.
yes sir.
F triple x. From the double x we can move on for triple x. यहाँ पे देखिए e power x
Same answer, sir.
सेम आता, e power x सेम आता बोल के नेग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते अपन.
sin y
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आ रहा है? हाँ, सेम ही चाहता
Triple
हूँ बोल के ऐसा गेस करने का नहीं है, आपको करना पड़ेगा वहां से. This is e power 0 sin 0, तो आंसर इज 0.
F
Next.
triple Y.
y y x comma y. So
E
कहाँ से
power
करेंगे?
X.
यहाँ पे ना.
F double Y.
Yes, one more time. Sin y means cos y minus e power x cos y. That implies f y y y 0 0. This is minus e power 0 into cos 0. So answer is -1 now. -1 आता ना?
yes sir. yes sir. yes
डबल एक्स इंटू वाई एक्स बाई वाई, दो और वैल्यूज चाहिए आप. यहाँ पे कर दे रहा हूँ, देखिए आप लोग के लिए. एफ एक्स एक्स विथ यू विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू वाई करेंगे, ठीक है, एट द पॉइंट 0 0. एक काम करेंगे, पहले सॉल्व करेंगे फिर सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. फॉर एक्स कॉमा वाई, तो व्हाट इज द आंसर नाउ? टेल मी. एक्स एक्स कहाँ पे? यहाँ है, देखिए इसको विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू वाई करना है. e power x sin y means cos y. This is f x x y. The point is what we are substituting? 0 0. So what is that answer? Can we say it is 1?
Yes, sir.
yes cos y
और x y तो आपके पास पहले से ही है, उसको और एक बार करिए. Of x comma y. which implies that fx y into y, क्या है इसका आंसर? एक्स वाई कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे। इसको विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू y करना है, तो cos y मीन्स माइनस साइन y,
-1 minus.
0 होता है क्योंकि 0.00 है ना, 0.00 है ना, साइन 0 आंसर
Yes,
इज 0।
sir.
तो प्लस 1/3 फैक्टोरियल इज 6 इंटू x क्यूब आंसर इज 0 प्लस y क्यूब आंसर इज -1 into y cube plus 3x square y into this is what xy answer is 1 and then this is 0 plus 0, then this is over here. This problem is completed here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्लास में भी बोला था, याद है ना, टेलर थ्योरम का फार्मूला बहुत बड़ा आ रहा था बोलते,
जी सर।
यही से वो फार्मूला। ठीक है, I'll end of the meeting now. You have to join again the same meeting for the attendance, right?
ओके सर।
अभी टाइम नहीं है अपने पास, तो अटेंडेंस के लिए मैं थोड़ी देर से आपको ज्वाइन करने के लिए
सर इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग भेज रहे
रिकॉर्डिंग भेज रहा हूँ जी।
हैं।